Good day to all employer. My name is Irene Senyoron. I'm 36 years old from Philippines. Single but blessed with four children, ages of 20, 18, 14, and 11 years old. I'm a 2 years vocational graduate and I have 3 years working experience as all-around nanny here in Philippines, taking care of 4-month-old baby until 3 years old. And I have 1 year experience in Abu Dhabi taking care of toddler and teens ages of 7, 10, 12, and 15 years old. My duty and responsibility is taking care of them, bathing, preparing of foods, children laundry, feed them, and educational activity. And also I'm doing a household chores like cleaning, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, ironing, and basic cooking. Being a nanny is not easy, hard, challenging. But for me, being a nanny, it will be easy because I treat them like my own child. To my future employer, I'm a hardworking person, loving, caring, kind, honest, flexible, and energetic. If you hire me, I treat your kids as my own too, and I'll do my best to be a good helper, nanny to your kids and family. And I promise I finish my contract and willing to work for a long term. Thank you and God bless.